A very good morning, my dear children. So, yesterday means day before yesterday in our last class, we have completed money chapter word problem till question number 5, and I have sent you this PDF also. So, I hope you all have completed your answers. Now, beta, from today I will send it in a good visible quality. Actually, I have written this with pencil to make you also write with pencil, but the PDF which I sent, it is not so clear. So from today I have used this pen to let you listen to this, and later on I will send the PDF also. Now let's start with question number 6. Amit wants to buy a shirt priced rupees 750. He has saved rupees 515 and 17 and 50 paise so far. How much more money does he need to buy a shirt? Suppose you want to buy a chocolate of 5 rupees and you have 3 rupees. So how much more money you need? 5 minus 3, that is 2. In the same way, cost of the shirt is rupees 750. Money saved by Amit is this much. More money needed by him. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have to write the amount. 0 minus 5, not possible. We have to borrow. But this also 0. First, this borrow will from here. This becomes 10. Again it has given to this. This become 9 and this become 10. Now we have to subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So easy. So money more needed by Amit to buy this shirt is rupees 232 and 50 paise. Now move to the next question. I bought a radio for rupees 650 paise. A table fan for rupees 214 and 50 paise, and a tube light for rupees 100. How much did I spend? Means how much money did I spend in all to buy all these things? Cost of radio rupees 650 paise, cost of table fan 214 rupees 50 paise, and cost of tube light rupees 100. Now to find the total money spent by me, we have to do this plus 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Again 0. We have to put the decimal for paise. Okay. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. Only 1. See 0 0 is 1. 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So total money spent by me to buy all this thing is rupees 915. Let's move to the next question. After buying books and notebooks worth rupees this much. So after spending this much money to buy books and copies, I still have, means this more money is with me till now. Now also I am having this money. So how much money did I have at first? Amount spent to buy books and notebooks is equal to rupees 265.50 paise. Money left with me rupees 155. So money with me at first. How much money with me at first? So we have to add 0, 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7 and 5 12, again 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So this much money I have at first when I went to the market. This much money I spent to buy my books and copies. Beta, books means books and notebooks means copy. This is notebook, copy in which we write. Okay, so don't get confused. If it is asked to you to give your notebook, don't give your book. Okay, notebook means copy and book means book. So this is the amount which was with me at first. Now move to the question number 9. I handed over a 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. Okay, I have a 50 rupee note which I have given to the shopkeeper. Why I have given? I have bought bread and butter for rupees 28 and 50 paise. So this much money I have spent to buy bread and butter, and I have given to the shopkeeper 50 rupees note. How much money was returned to me? If I have given 50 rupees note and this amount I have spent, so how much money shopkeeper will return me? Money given by me to the shopkeeper rupees 50, cost of bread and butter this much, money returned to me. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 not possible, again we have to borrow. First here 4 and here 10. Now this again will give this side, this become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 2 2. So this is the amount given by the shopkeeper back to me. I hope all these questions are understood by you. You all understood these questions? Okay. Now move to the last question, which is your homework. You will solve this. Okay, by writing rupees this much plus this much plus this much, you will show me how you can do that. See, what is the question? At a shop, Harsh shopped means he bought various commodities, various things, total of rupees 685. He gave an exact amount of currency to the shopkeeper. So, exact amount he has given. Which currency or notes and coins he could use? This you have to do and show me that what currency and what notes you can give to the shopkeeper to make it exactly 685. See beta, these are the currencies and these are the notes we have. So you have to make by adding these currencies or notes or coins to make this rupees 685. This is your homework. You have to do it yourself. So our money chapter is over. We have completed our money chapter. I hope now you have understood all the questions of the money chapter. So our syllabus of first term is over. Chapter number 2 numbers, chapter number 3 addition, chapter number 4 subtraction, and chapter number 12 money. Our syllabus of first term is completed now. So you have to learn the tables also beta. 2 to 10 for the first term. So you have to learn multiplication table with yourself, and I will make the revision of all the chapters again. So for today's your homework is you have to complete these word problems. See, I have sent the PDF also. This much I have sent about this before yesterday itself, and of this PDF I will send you today. Do your homework. Take care. Bye bye and take care.